Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple inventory app using Laravel. Here's a demo of what we are going to be building. This is our login page. Let's log into the application. Here's the dashboard for application. It shows you a simple welcome message and the number of items we have in our inventory. You can view the inventories, you can edit an inventory, you can update an inventory. Now you can delete an inventory. Once you delete an inventory, it goes to trash. You can create a new inventory. T-shirts 3. Now something good to take note is once we delete our inventory, it comes to trash, and in our trash we can restore it back. We can restore the item back to the inventory list, or we can entirely purge it from the database. In the next 1 minute, we have a background job, a task schedule that runs every 1 minute. It goes to our trash and clears it off. Now, in a real life scenario, you might want to set it up to like a day or two, say every 24 hours or every 3 days. It goes to your trash and clears item off. You might not be sure if you want to delete the item, so you might just want to leave it in the trash for some time. So this was made possible by Laravel sub delete feature. So you're going to see how that works very soon. So if I refresh this, it's almost a minute. And let me see if I have okay, it's running. I have my queue listing. Let's see, it's almost a minute. Let's wait. Once is 4:22. Alright, should be gone now. Okay, see, it's gone. That's how it works. So once it's gone, it's going to send an email to you. So we are also going to be setting up a fake SFTP server. I'm going to show you how to be sending emails with Laravel. Now this just sent a few seconds ago. The notification says this is a friend notification to notify you that I just completed clearing the inventory. So you click here, view trash. It opens the trash here. It becomes trash, nothing is there. So we can create new inventory, view inventory. Now we go to dashboard now, showing there are two new items. Right. So this this app that I've been building, I published a book on Amazon. It's an excerpt of the book. You can get a book, you can get a copy on Amazon, beginning PHP Laravel, step-to-step approach to building an inventory app. It's just an excerpt. There's a Kindle version, and then there's also the paper cover version. It's just 70 pages, and it costs $15 for the paper cover, and for the Kindle version, it costs $10 for the Kindle version. It's an excerpt of it, so you can get the book on Amazon. I'm going to drop a link to the book, and please do well to drop a review of the book on Amazon if you purchase it. So let's go now to creating our inventory app. So the first thing we'll be doing is creating a new Laravel project. Now open your terminal. Now one thing to take note is this tutorial will best work for you if you are using a Unix system. That's if you are using a Linux system or a Mac, because of the CRON job that will be running. So open your terminal, open a fresh terminal and run this command: composer create projects, preferred distribution 5.4 Laravel entry. So to be creating, what this command will be doing is using composer to be creating a folder called Laravel entry and installing the Laravel application inside for us. Now the reason why we are using 5.4 here is because if we do not put this, it's going to install the latest Laravel here for us. But for the purpose of this tutorial, because I was hoping most of the people watching this video will be beginners, so they might have lower version of PHP installed, say PHP 5.6, 5.7 installed, and so as if I install higher version of Laravel, the requirements are much. So I want to believe you already have your system set up to install Laravel. So you must have at least PHP 5.64 version on your system. You must have PHP open, the Open SSL PHP extension, PDO PHP extension, MB string PHP extension, tokenizer PHP extension, XML PHP extension, and of course Composer. And if you're wondering what Composer is a PHP dependency manager, and it must be installed globally on your system. So if you need to install, if you do not meet any of these requirements, you might want to pause this video and quickly go and set up Laravel. So if you want to be sure, you can add on to the Laravel documentation, go to 5.4, and then under installation, you can look at all these requirements. If you meet all the requirements, then go ahead with tutorial. So if I run this command now, it won't to throw an error for me because I already have this project created. But for you, just wait for it to install everything that is necessary. If it throws an error, you might drop the error in the comments, and then I will help you out. Like I said, it's throw an error for me because it says invalid argument exception project directory is. I already have the Laravel project created because I don't want to keep you waiting in this tutorial. So in my own case, I'll just set it to Laravel app, and then I'm going to serve the app. So you need to understand that Laravel tries to make things very easy and simple for you to do, because Laravel is an MVC framework, a model view and controller framework. So Laravel ships with what we call the adhering command. So in order to launch or serve our application in the browser, we just need to run PHP adhering serve command in order to launch, to open our app in the browser. For my own case, I will be launching on different ports. By default, it launches the application on port 8000, but I'm going to launch mine on port 1990 because I already have something running on port 8000, which is the demo of the app I just showed you now. So I already have it running there. So I just launched this on port 1990. Now if I visit 127.0 port 1990, see now a new Laravel app now is launched. So this is what we have.